Subaru Forester and Outback get shut out in the most recent longest-lasting car list. Subaru's problem may be its success. Subaru vehicles have the potential to reach 200,000 miles, and here is how to do it. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Our Subaru reporter, Dennis Fleer, who covers Subaru daily at TorqueNews.com, has a very interesting article discussing Subaru's problem and why it's not in the longest-lasting car list since 2016. I will place the link to the article in the description of this video, and please check it out. But before I start discussing Subaru's problem and making longer-lasting cars, Subaru's problem in making longer-lasting cars, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and stay in touch about my upcoming Subaru and automotive daily updates coming from this channel. Last week, iSeeCars conducted a study and analyzed over 15.8 million cars sold in 2019 to determine which models have the highest percentage of cars that reach 200,000 miles. The Subaru Forester and Outback are not found on any of the lists. Subaru had its Forester, Outback, and Legacy models on the iSeeCars top 10 ranked longest-lasting cars list as recently as 2016. In the 2016 iSeeCars list, Subaru Legacy was number 6, Outback number 9, and Forester number 10. In 2017, the Subaru Legacy ranked 6th again, but on the top 16 longest-lasting cars list. Outback was 7th, and Forester ranked 8th overall. But something changed 2 years ago. No Subaru vehicles made in the top 10 longest-lasting cars list in 2018 and 2019. Now we come to 2020. Actually, Subaru ranks in the top 1/3 of all brands. Pay attention, I'm now talking about brands. In the iSeeCars most likely to reach 200,000 miles by make, Subaru is number 7 out of 18 automakers on the list, putting them in the top 1/3 of all automobile brands. Subaru ranks 0.6% of their vehicles reaching the 200,000 mile mark, which is below the average 1.0%, but the Japanese automaker ranks only behind Japanese rivals Toyota at 1.8%, followed by Honda at 1.6%, American automakers GMC 1.4%, Chevrolet and Ford are the other brands ahead of Subaru. So what is Subaru's problem? Why can't it rank in the top 10 longest-lasting cars list since 2016? Subaru's problem is that this Japanese automaker is too successful. You probably didn't expect that, did you? It's because it's too successful. Subaru of America has experienced tremendous growth over the last 11 years, and this has led to a number of production problems for the Japanese automaker. They can't build the new 2020 Forester and Outback fast enough. The main factory in Gunma, Japan, that makes Forester was shut down in January over a power steering component defect. And Subaru's plant in the United States is running at full capacity, making the new 2020 Outback and Ascent models. Subaru Corporation is aware of the problem and is working hard to get them fixed. A recent Subaru report from Japan reveals they revised their quality policy in April 2019, last year, and they are committed to improving quality in its 2 manufacturing plants. Now, should you be concerned about buying a new 2020 Subaru Forester or Outback based on this report? Subaru is making quality vehicles, and Subaru cars scored ahead of Jeep, Dodge, Nissan, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Lexus, Hyundai, Volkswagen, Kia, Audi, and Porsche. So if you wouldn't buy all these cars, then you shouldn't buy Subaru either. But not that Subaru was ahead of these brands that I just mentioned. Are luxury car buyers staying away from Toyota's premium brand Lexus because they are number 13 on the iSeeCars list, with 0.3% of their models likely to last over 200,000 miles? As pointed out by an iSeeCars spokesperson, now I'm quoting the spokesperson, quote, "With the right maintenance and care, all vehicles today have the potential to reach 200,000 miles. All the vehicles," end of the quote. So if you buy a new 2020 Subaru Forester, compact SUV, or 2020 Outback wagon, they will go well over 200,000 miles. They should, if you show them a little love and care. Change the oil often as prescribed. Have all major drivetrain served at recommended intervals. And don't abuse your all-wheel drive vehicles. So if you change the oil as prescribed and regularly on time and maintain your car on time, according to this report, your car should easily reach and go beyond 200,000 miles. Thanks for watching. If this information was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you may be notified when I upload our next video later today, discussing the progress in Gigafactory in Tesla and some electric batteries, and more Subaru is coming up. Have a blessed day and visit us at www.torquenews.com.